See this golden fruit peel in my hand. It used to be regarded as waste. Some food processors even need to pay to discard it. How about to turn it into wealth just by drying it? Drying is one of the effective ways to improve the use value and facilitate the reprocessing of agricultural products. It helps to increase the industry economic returns. Hi, I'm Yarik. Today I come to Nanchong in Sichuan province to visit a factory that has been dedicated for drying equipment production for 50 years. Sichuan Technology is a high-tech enterprise focusing on comprehensive processing solutions for agricultural products.
Committed to helping customers solve the problem of storage and transportation of agricultural products, eliminate processing pollution, and maintain the quality of agricultural products. From micromachinery to large, complete processing systems, we help customers optimize and help customers optimize their operations through technology, software, equipment and services. Products cover fruit and vegetables, herbs, beverages, feed and food and other fields.
After years of precipitation and development, the company has grown into one of the domestic large intelligent agriculture machinery and equipment manufacturers. With 2 manufacturing bases and 1 R&D innovation center, there are more than 200 R&D managements, sales and technical workers, production base of more than 30,000 square meters. It has completed 13 science and technology projects at all levels and obtained more than 50 national patents and software copyrights. Serving the domestic market for nearly 50 years, Sichuan Technology started its global journey since 2019 through Alibaba.com and has successfully exported its dryers for fruits, vegetables, condiments and other products to 30 countries till now.
这是一台清洁能源干燥设备，它是从空气中吸收能量，最终达到加热干燥的目的。整个过程非常的省电，与传统干燥相比，它能够节能40%以上。同时，整个过程也没有任何的废渣和废气的排放。2020年的时候，我们通过阿里国际站向缅甸出口了这样的设备，它也是缅甸国家的第一台清洁能源干燥机。所以缅甸的商务部和当地省长都亲临剪彩，在那一刻，我们也为我们中国制造感到深深的自豪。
Save energy, no residue waste and emissions. That's really great. Agriculture is fundamental to people's livelihood. Born from the agriculture and serve the global market in a digital way, we can foresee the bright future for Chinese agriculture machinery industry.